everyone, I'm Jace.
I'm Pupu, and this is
Club.Sandwich. Yum yum.
Yum, 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 yum. 묘하게 중독되는 맛일까?
Today's menu is cat cookie.
Cat cookie? You mean cat-shaped cookie?
No, it's a cookie for cats.
Ingredients for today's menu are
Anchovies. Before using, you have to boil them in the water for at least 3 times to remove salinity.
chicken breast, eggs, milk, and an adult to handle the fire and knife. 요리를 시작해볼까요?
Milk is for getting rid of unpleasant smell of chicken breast. 고양이가 먹지 않도록 조심. Dry the anchovies with the microwave.
We only need the egg yolk, so separate the yellow from the white. Stir and mix it well.
Grind the dried anchovies with the grinder.
Adult. Boil the chicken breast and fully cook it.
Be careful when you're using the knife. Mince the chicken breast.
Pour the finely chopped chicken breast, anchovy, and the egg yolk into a bowl.
Mix them well until it forms a clay texture.
You can also add some pet milk if you want.
Shape your cookies with your hands or cookie cutters. I made heart shapes.
And I made poop shape. Put them into the oven and bake it. 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 We're done!
I can't wait to serve my beloved cat Shiru.
Shiru, this is for you!
시루 맛있게 먹네. 시루 친구 노을이도 강아지 연두도 맛있게 먹었어요.
길에서는 나나랑 리오도 맛있게 먹었어요.
여러분들도 캣쿠키 만들어서 고양이 친구들에게 선물해보세요.
그럼 다음에 만나요. 클럽 샌드위치!